how are you?
Oh my God, your tone is very clear.
Okay.
Yes. And I can see your background. It's a very natural.
Yeah.
Do you where do you live in right now? It's a farm.
No, it's not a farm, but it's a field.
Oh, very nice, very nice. So you can take natural oxygen for
Yes, yes,
free.
yes, yes. It's a pure oxygen.
Uh,
So every
yeah,
morning
yeah,
I
yeah.
come here because it is very like we are
Oh,
surrounded by this type of nature.
oh, that's why you are so fresh. It looks like very healthy because you are getting free oxygen, free natural weather, free good foods.
Yes,
You are so lucky than us.
yes, yes, yes. You're right.
So, Kamal, am I right? Your name is Kamal,
Yeah, you're right.
Kamal Shoren.
Yes, you're right. I am Kamal
Oh,
Saran.
oh, very nice. Which part of India are you from, sir?
Okay, I'm from Jharkhand. You know, Jharkhand, like east part of India.
Jharkhand. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I know Jharkhand. I know. Because I work with Jharkhand people
Okay, okay. So,
in Qatar.
right. And where are you from? Where do you live?
I'm from Bangladesh, right? And I belongs to Narangons. It's a capital. In our capital is Dhaka. It's a very close to Dhaka.
Okay, okay, okay. So that's great. And
So Kamal, how long have you been using episode? Because I can see your English is very smooth and very pure.
okay, okay. So this application, like I have downloaded quite a very long time ago. Okay, but I did not use it. Very, I can say like once in a blue moon, I use this application. And today in morning time, like I thought to connect with different types of people from different countries, so that I can enhance my speaking skill. And
Oh,
yeah, it's been
very
a very long
nice.
time. Like,
Very
and
nice.
today I'm connecting with lots of people. I talked with I think like 7 to 8 people.
70,
Seven to
how many? 70?
seven.
Oh, seven people. You
Yeah.
have met seven people.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, very good. Because as much as you talk, your fluency will become.
Yeah.
You know, it's a condition. Because if you want to learn English, you have to talk as much as possible for you.
Yes.
And when it will, set up on your brain tip of tongue,
Tongue.
then you can speak English without fumble,
Without.
without hesitation, without tension, okay?
Right, right.
Then automate it circulation sentence on your brain. No need to think, oh, what will I say right now?
Yes.
No need
Yes.
to think, okay?
Correct.
Someone asks you, how is your day going, sir? Where are you from? What is your profession?
Yeah.
Where do you live? How many members there in your family? No need to think, oh, okay, I will think, no, no. It will come like natural.
Yeah, it should be natural. Like.
Where, but,
Yeah.
yeah, but there's a one condition. You have to stay in surrounding in English. Right now, you
Right.
said you are surrounding is natural. It's a
Yes.
beauty.
Yeah.
So when you try to stay in English surrounded,
Right.
then if anyone asks you any question or you hear anything, you can understand. You can reply very easily.
Yeah. It is just like riding a bicycle or driving a car. Like if you give more and more time, you will become more confident. Just like that. Like we have to
Ah,
instill this thing into our subconscious mind, make it a system, and need to be used to it. And that is what like we need to do. Like if we do more and more practice, then it will automatically become like our language, and we do not need to think before speaking. Otherwise, yeah.
good, good, good. Yeah, I have got your point. Thank you.
Yes.
Because when I speak just
Yeah.
first your sound was very strong.
Yeah.
I was, drastically, exorbitantly flabbergasted. Oh my God, he's an Indian guy, but he speaks very strong, like a nature, like a native. It's
Okay.
a very good sign. I did not meet these kinds of figure before because
Okay.
your English is like something different than others.
Oh my God, that's okay. Thank you very much for appreciating my.
And yeah, you can, Kamal,
Yeah.
you can improve a lot.
Yes. Yes.
If you want to do something extra, ordinary something,
Hmm.
then you can improve your English because you have something extraordinary power. Like it's called God gifted, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Because many people, especially my opinion,
Okay.
I have been using an episode, and today is 36 days going on.
Okay.
But I did not get this, like you, fluency or rhythm, because your fluency, your rhythm is something different than me. Your looks like a natural rhythm because
Okay.
when you speak, I just try to listen your it's like steps how it's a rhythm like when I speak in Bengali because I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay.
I have a personal own rhythm,
Yeah.
but English is different.
Yes.
So I should try to used to then I can. But you are already used to it.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.